Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Family? Your boy here with another video, and today we're not gonna be working on the but we're gonna be doing something cool. We're gonna be working on the wifey's Chevy Cruze, and we're gonna be adding a body kit to it, guys. Yeah, you heard me right. We're gonna be adding a body kit to it. Before you guys start dropping hate comment in the fucking comments or whatever, I know the car's not fast. It's a 4-cylinder. Who cares? The wifey wants the car to look sporty. The wifey wants to look cool in her car. We're gonna let her do her, right? At the end of the day, you know, respect every build, guys. Doesn't matter if it's fast or slow, as long as the person building it likes it, then you know what, let's show love. So let's show you guys the body kit real quick, and then we're gonna start taking off stuff off the Cruze, because we gotta take, obviously so it's a 4-piece body kit. It's a front bumper, rear bumper, and 2 side skirts. And we're gonna be doing the front bumper and the rear bumper today, and we're gonna try to see if we can do the side skirts. But I don't think we're gonna get to that today because there's a little damage on one of the side skirts already on the car. So I don't know if that's gonna interfere with the body kit, but we'll see right now. I'll show you guys the body kit once I take it outside because it's inside the house and it's pretty dark inside. This is the body kit, guys, the side skirts, rear bumper, and the front bumper. But once we'll take it outside, we'll take it out of the wrap and show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, now that we're back outside, this is the rear bumper. Once I take it out of the wrap, you'll guys be able to see it more. But pretty much, it's just gonna replace this rear bumper. And yes, this rear bumper does not match with the car because the car has been in a couple rear end collisions where we lost the rear bumper, and I bought this one just for temporary. And well, this is why I didn't buy a new one, because we're gonna just replace it with a body kit. But yeah, let's take it out of the wrap, see what it looks like. And here's the front bumper, guys. Guess we'll see what it looks like.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Alright guys, I'm gonna do this little small review real quick of this soundbar I got sent. It's by Teltronics. It's a wireless soundbar. We're gonna open it up, see what it comes with, and then we're gonna install it and see what it sounds like. Okay guys, this is the soundbar. It's fairly slim and pretty long. Something cool is I found out so you can just set it on something like on your shelf, or you can even mount it. It comes with little mounting points here and here, and even gives you the hardware to mount it. So that's pretty cool. You can just have it like above your TV or something. And then so here's the connection points. You got your aux, you got your plug-in, and they give you this wire. I don't know what it's for yet, but we'll figure it out in the instructions. They give you your RCAs, and then a remote as well. So that's cool. Remote always comes in handy, you know. So let's open up the instructions, see what these goodies are for, and then we'll go ahead and install it on my TV, see what it sounds like. Alright, something cool is it does come with an 18-month warranty, 60 days free shipping. It comes with priority customer support, so you don't have to worry about the soundbar. If something happens to it, you get return it, get your money back, get a new one. That's pretty cool. A lot of companies don't give you that warranty. Another cool feature is they give you this wall template. Now this is even better. Have you ever had a struggle trying to figure out where these mounts go onto the wall, and then you're always off by like an inch or something, and you end up making like 30 holes in your wall? This helps out a lot. It tells you how much it is from mount to mount. It even tells you where to mark it, or pretty much all you gotta do is cut the paper, tape it to your wall, and then your mounts will be right there. That is pretty awesome. I might use this if I ever mount the soundbar to my wall, but I think for now I'm just gonna have it just under the TV or behind the TV. We'll see. Okay, so I figured out what this wire's for. I guess it goes into the optical connection on the soundbar, and then it connects to your TV. So this is one option of how you can connect the soundbar to your TV. If not, that's why they give you the RCAs with the aux. You can connect the aux into the soundbar, and then the RCAs into your TV, and that's another way you can connect it. So let's figure out which connection I'm gonna have to use, and then we'll start installing this into the TV. Okay guys, so this is where I have the soundbar placed, right under my TV. Perfect size too, because it doesn't go above the TV where it starts covering the TV. So that's that, and then I have the power wire running to the back. It's already attached. Now I just gotta figure out if I'm gonna use the optic wire or the RCAs. So let's take a look in the back of my TV, see what it has. Okay guys, so my TV did end up having the optic connection. As you can tell, it's right there, that black wire right here. So I didn't have to use the RCAs. So let's just set up everything how it's supposed to be. Let's turn on the bar, the power button right here. Let's go ahead and take off this wrap too. Note to self, the remote is gonna need 2 AAA batteries that are not included, so keep that in mind. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on this light bar. Okay. Press the option, I think. Oh, see, it's on. Okay. We're gonna use the optic. Okay. I think I have to go into the settings on the TV to make sure it's set up right, but let's see if it works.
Subscribe to Dump Theft.
Drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups engaging in what they call swinging.
Oh, okay, that's kind of sick. So there's me on TV, but I press mute on the soundbar, and you can still hear the TV on the background. So that means it's like 2 different speakers. So if I press unmute, the first thing we're gonna be doing is changing out these license plate caps. This one, no. That's pretty sick. So I can always turn this on if I want the TV louder, or just keep the regular TV. I don't have to use the soundbar the whole time. That's awesome. That's actually pretty cool. And then there's also other options like video and gaming. I don't know if that makes the sound different. Let's check. Because the ones I had put on the Denali one, when I sold the side, I also sold them the bumper, so it went together. I didn't take them off. So I just ended up getting new ones. We're about to swap these out. Okay, so it kind of does give it a different sound when you switch from gaming to video to music. So that's pretty cool. There's also an aux option. So I'm pretty sure if you have an aux, like double-sided aux, you can connect this to like a phone or something. You can listen to music through here. But I mean, if it's already connected to your TV, you can just go to YouTube like I did and just play music that way. But this was a good option. Like if you take it outside, like at a party, you can use this as a speaker. So that's pretty cool. There's also a Bluetooth. Maybe you can Bluetooth your phone. I'll have to test this out later on. But that's cool. I mean, for what I needed it for was for the TV, and obviously it works. Let's turn it on again. The cool thing about these, it's not bulbs. They're LEDs already integrated into the cap, so you don't have to worry about the bulbs burning out. That's turned down, and I can turn it all the way up. You can throw this one away. You can throw this box away. And then now we're just waiting for the homie Isaac and I think the homie Artie pulling up. So once they pull up, show you guys what we're doing. So that's pretty cool, guys. I will show you what some music sounds like on here, but I don't have any royalty-free music that I can play right now. By that I mean, if I play any other music, I could get copyrighted and my video won't make any money. So I'm not trying to play that kind of music right now. But yeah, I give the speaker a 10 out of 10 for sure. Especially like all the options it has. It's pretty awesome. I might end up mounting it on top of my TV, but for now I think this is a good spot. And then yeah, I mean, it has all the options here as well, just in case you lose the remote. You got your power, your volume up and down, and your settings. But yeah, guys, this is definitely awesome pickup. I'll have the link down below to their website, Tiletronics, and I'll also have a discount code if you guys want to pick anything up for yourself. They have more than just speakers, guys. They got wireless headphones, they got fans, heaters, they got almost anything you can think of. So make sure you go check them out, guys. I'll put the link down in the description. I'll also put down a discount code if you guys want to use it. Get yourself something like this or something different and get a discount. So there you go, guys. That's my little review. Let's get back to the original video.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Get it. Don't show my trunk. Before.
Much later.
So the rear bumper is on. It was actually pretty harder than I thought. It didn't go on. It wasn't a straight fit. Still gotta figure out how to mount a screw to attach the bumper to the fender. For now, we just have these little quick releases. Other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I'll probably take it to Ruiz's one of these days so he can help me tweak the bumper a little better. You know, get it to where it's supposed to be. But that's it for today, guys. I don't think we have enough time for the front bumper today. We gotta go to Amanda at 6. It's already 5, so I'm gonna start cleaning up. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out all my other videos, and there will be a part 2 when we do the front bumper. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested. And yeah, guys, catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.